In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradeStation Time and Sales. Think of time and sales as the live heartbeat of the market. It streams every reported trade, showing you exactly when a transaction happens, at what price, and how big it was. This is the tape traders refer to when they talk about reading order flow and gauging the urgency behind buying or selling. To open it in TradeStation, start by going to the top menu and selecting View. From there, choose Trading Apps. This opens the Trading App Launcher, which displays a grid of app icons available in your platform. In that launcher, locate the Time and Sales icon and click it. That's all it takes to launch the tool. Once the window appears, you'll see a running list of prints. Each line represents a completed trade. You'll typically have columns for time, price, size, and often the exchange or a trade condition. The colors help you quickly interpret the action. Trades hitting the offer often display in a bullish color, while trades hitting the bid use a bearish color. The exact palette depends on your theme, but the idea is the same. Follow which side is getting lifted or hit. As the data scrolls, pay attention to clusters of larger sizes at specific prices. A burst of large trades lifting higher prices can signal strong buying interest, while repeated large prints at the bid can hint at persistent selling pressure. The speed of the tape matters too. Fast, continuous prints often indicate heightened participation, while a slow tape suggests a quieter market. You'll also notice that Time and Sales reflects the currently active symbol in your workspace. As that symbol changes, the stream updates accordingly, so you can keep the tool open while you analyze different charts. If you've just opened it and don't immediately see prints, give it a moment for data to populate, especially outside of regular trading hours. Use Time and Sales to add context to your chart analysis. For example, when price approaches a key level on your chart, glance at the tape to see whether trades are aggressively lifting through that level or stalling as size accumulates on the other side. This can help confirm momentum, identify potential exhaustion, or spot areas where participants are absorbing orders. That's the essence of using Time and Sales in TradeStation. Open View, launch Trading Apps, and click the Time and Sales icon. From there, let the tape inform your judgment about who is in control, how urgent they are, and whether the current move has follow-through. With a little practice, this live stream of prints becomes a powerful complement to your charts and strategy.